How to change background on MS Teams. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change the background on MS Teams. The first thing you want to do is open the Teams app on your laptop or PC. Once you have opened it, make sure to sign into your account. Now, on the calendar option, you want to start a new meeting, or you can also join one if you have an ID. Click on the option of Meet Now if you simply want to start a new meeting. Once you do that, a preview box is going to open up before any meeting. Now over here, you simply want to toggle on the option of video. Once you toggle on the video option, you have the option of background effect. Click on that option. When you click on it, you will have several background options that you can choose from. Select any one that you want. We have the option of blur that's going to blur the background and only going to make your face clear. Or you can also choose any of the available backgrounds. Once you click on it, the preview is going to open up. If you like that one, click on the Join Now option. Or if you want to add your own, you can click on the Add New option. Then from the pop-up, you want to select any picture that is your own. Then click on the Open option, and now you can select that picture instead of the available choices, and then click on the Join Now option. Once you have joined the meeting and in the meeting you want to change your background, then you want to click on these three dots. Then more options are going to be visible. Here you want to click on the Background Effects option. Then again, this box is going to open up and you can select whichever you want. Now you can click on the preview option in order to see how that background is going to look like. If you like that background, click on the apply and turn on video option. And this is how you can change background on MS Teams. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.